Honorable Justice David Maranga, Chief Justice and the President of the Supreme Court of Kenya, Mr. Eliud Kinuthia, Chairman, National Police Service Commission, and other commissioners present, Mr. Nurdin Aji, Director of Public Prosecutions, Mr. Twalib Mbarak, CEO, Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, Mr. Edward Mbugwa, Deputy Inspector General, Kenya Police Service, Mr. Nur Gabo, Deputy Inspector General, Administration Police Service, Mr. George Kinoti, Director, Directorate of Criminal Investigations, Mrs. Anne Amadi, Registrar of the Supreme Court of Kenya, Mr. Joseph Onyango, CEO, National Police Service Commission, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. I thank the Almighty God for the opportunity He has granted all of us today to witness the occasion of my swearing in as the Third Inspector General of the National Police Service of Kenya. I want to thank His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces, for this appointment and the trust and honor he has bestowed on me to lead the National Police Service for the next 4 years as stipulated in the Constitution of Kenya. I also want to thank the Senate and the National Assembly for carrying out its constitutional mandate in vetting and subsequently approving my nomination. Equally, I want to thank Kenyans who have keenly followed the process for their words of encouragement, prayers, and message of goodwill. As I assume the office of the Inspector General, I am conversant with the security threats our country still faces, especially the threat of terrorism, organized crime, corruption, cattle rustling, among others. Enhancing our collaboration and multi-agency approach still remains the best way to tackle these contemporary challenges. And I want to promise that we will deepen our relations with our partner security agencies and the criminal justice system to make sure that as we enforce the law, those who break the law are served with justice in a fair manner. I want to congratulate my predecessor, Mr. Joseph Boynet, for successfully completing his term and for leading the National Police Service transformation process. I intend to continue with the reforms under the theme of enhancing police service delivery at the grassroots, and will be keen to transform each police station into a center of delivery for policing services. We will endeavor to build new police stations and renovate the old ones to meet modern policing standards and improve the working condition of our officers. Another key area of priority in the ongoing reforms process is completing the harmonization of the command structures at the ward level as we strive to improve on our efficiency and our effectiveness in service delivery. I'll be keen to implement the National Police Service Information Management System, which digitizes the occurrence book and the case file management system. This will enable members of the public to track the process of their complaints and enable them give us feedback and compliments. Regarding the welfare of police officers, I will consult with the National Police Service Commission and also to engage the Salaries and Remuneration Commission on the issues of house allowance so that our men and women in uniform can live in decent and affordable houses in our neighborhoods. I also want to ensure that National Police Service Referral Hospital is constructed and be operational as soon as possible. Regarding the pending backlog of promotion and discipline cases, matters of stagnation and transfers among the officers, upon consultation with the National Police Service Commission, we will give priority to a resolution of these issues. I am fully in support of the ongoing fight against corruption in the country, and I want to be very clear. We must all join hands in the fight against the vice. We, as the National Police Service, we play our enforcement role in the non-partisan manner, guided by high fidelity to the law. We must also, as a police, ensure that we eliminate corruption within our ranks and file. And I call upon all officers to remember and uphold the oath they undertook to be faithful to the law and to uphold integrity. I will initiate a system that enhances accountability and responsibility within the National Police Service, and will enhance and expand the work of the Independent Internal Affairs Unit to investigate corruption cases within the National Police Service. The Internal Affairs Unit will be decentralized and will operate in the regions and the counties. To Kenyans, I want to affirm my commitment in ensuring your security and safety is granted. I appeal to you to partner with us to achieve this. I call upon all of us to uphold the Constitution and the rule of law. Under my leadership, I will endeavor to make sure all police officers respect human rights and fundamental freedom as enshrined in the Constitution of Kenya. But equally, remind all of us that police officers have the rights too, which must be respected. I will stand by officers who discharge their duties firmly and fairly, without fear, favor, or ill will, but will equally deal with those who abuse police powers and privileges. Lastly, but not least, I reiterate my commitment to be a team player. I am ready to work with all persons of goodwill and all stakeholders in the security sector so as to provide public safety and security to Kenyans whom God has given us an opportunity to serve. Thank you, and God bless you.